Hello everyone, we are from SYBAF group number 13 in foundation course. My topic is factoring as short-term finance of the company. In our group there are 6 members. First, Sanskruti Kilje. Second, Prachi Mengane. Third, Payal Ichle. Fourth, Rasika Kadam. Fifth, Bhakti Raut. And sixth, Sahil Hatte. First, start with the introduction. Factoring receivables, factoring or debtor financing is when a company buys a debt or invoice from another company. Factoring is also seen as form of invoice discounting in many markets and is very similar but just within a different context. Essentially, factoring transfers the ownership of accounts to another party that then case up the debt. The history of factoring. The word factor comes from Latin word means he who gets things done. Throughout history and through today, that is exactly what factoring does. It helps business owners get things done, allowing them to keep their business moving forward. Factoring services have been used by business throughout history to expand and improve. The risk of factoring. The environmental and social issues related to a short-term finance transaction range from minimal to complex and vary according to size, industry, sector, location, and company commitment to managing environmental and social risk. Because a working capital loan provides general support to a company as opposed to being targeted for equipment purpose or expansion, the financial institution is exposed to the borrower's overall risk including potential environment and social issues. The functions of the factoring. First, maintenance of sales ledger. Client just send a copy of invoice to factor monitoring payments, maintaining ledgers, creating reports and providing data to client are carried by factor. Second, collection of accounting receivables. Follow-up measures for collection are effectively undertaken by factorers using his infrastructural facility and expecting client can focus on his core business activity. Third, credit control and credit protection. Another useful service rendered by a factor is credit control and protection as a factor maintains extensive information records about the financial standing and credit rating of individual customers and their track record of payment. He is able to advise its client on whether to extend credit to a buyer or not, and if is to be extend the amount of credit and the period therefore. Fourth, advisory functions. At times, factors render certain advisory services to their client. Thus, as credit specialist, a factor undertakes comprehensive studies of economic condition and trends and thus in position in advise its clients of impending development in their respective industries. There are 3 advantages of factoring. First, immediate cash inflow. This type of finance shortens the cash collection cycle. It provides swift realization of cash by selling the receivables to a factor. Availability of liquid cash sometimes become a deciding factor for grabbing an opportunity or losing it. Second, Evasion of bad debts. Factoring is of two types, with recourse and without recourse. Under without recourse factoring, in case of bad debts, the loss is borne by the factor, hence, the seller is under no obligation to the factor, owns its sales of its receivables. Third, speedy arrangement of finance. Factors provide funds more rapidly than banking companies. Factoring companies offer quicker application, lesser document and sweeper realization of funds as compared to other financial institutions. There are three disadvantages of factoring. First, reduction of profit. The factor deducts a certain discount from the value of accounts receivables as fees for services offered. Moreover, in certain cases, the factor also charges interest on the advance made. Consequently, profit of an entity is reduced by a significant margin. Second, reliability of customers' credit. The factor assesses and evaluated credit wellness of the party who owes bills receivables. This is critical factor which is outside the control of the seller. A factor may refuse to extend advance due to poor credit rating of the concerned party. Third, loss of personal touch. The buyer may not willing to deal with a factor because of their professional nature and strength method. Factoring agencies even send notice at regular intervals to the buyer as a reminder of the debt. The buyer may develop a negative image of the seller through factoring. Loss of personal touch may lead him to consider switching vendors. The process of factoring. Your company sells products, services and issue invoice. You send a copy of your invoice to Allegiant. We verify the invoice and carry out a credit review of your customers. We execute the purchase of your invoice and advance 90% of value of your account receivables within 24 hours. Your customers pays us. We return the remaining 10% means the factoring fees. The procedure is ended. Thank you.